Okay, I think I'm back right now. And yeah, I think it's fixed right now. I don't see any dropped frames. That's nice. Am I back, by the way? I mean, stream. Maybe on the as well. Yeah, I think I'm back right now. Okay. Yeah, it looks like I'm back right now, and everything seems fine. Yeah, okay. The clash is completed, and Tahir also solved this one, Rohit solved this one, Seaboy, Matrizas, Neto, and maybe we should check your codes. Oh, you didn't figure it out. But only not the sum actually, only the square of their sum of their square actually. You can check my code, Matrizas, for example. Yes, I see the updated screen right now. That's nice. Okay, let's back to home. I mean, the question is about the given numbers can be on a right triangle side or not. If they can, I mean, for example, like 3, 4, 5, and 5, 12, 13, they can create some. They can create a right triangle which is based on their side length. And if it is, you need to write true if they can't, and otherwise false. Okay, let's start here. I just did the link, and updated my command, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Exactly, Pythagorean triplets, exactly. Sakuta, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. What is Clash of Code? I mean, Clash of Code is a part of a CodinGame website. You can, all of the people in the chat can join the same Clash. Clash means some kind of problems, programming problems, and you try to solve that problem in 15 minutes. What programming language you want? I mean, CodinGame supports a lot of programming languages, and you can choose which one is fits you. I always try to update my commands. You can type !link to the chat, get the current clash link, and join the people as you can see here, and try to solve the problem in 15 minutes. I use C# because it's the most familiar programming language for me, but you can use which programming language you want. I mean, CodinGame supports a lot of programming languages. Okay, we are now 8 players. Let's launch the clash. Turn input name into palindrome using the simple concept. Take a name like Abe Simpson and alternate each letter with the reverse name. Get. What? I didn't get this one. Oh, okay, I get it. So this should work, I think. Oops. Maybe I just bring inside. Yeah, this one should work actually. That is nice, so I can submit it. I coded this entire clash complaining about the zip function in my head. That is nice. I mean, it's kind of easy actually. You just need to know how to iterate in string properly actually. It is fun. I like the question itself. Statement and test case 11C are ideal. Okay, Pins, Sahil, Neto, Andrea also solved this one. I don't know how anyone could do that I mean, I'm gonna learn some type of coding language, but like so, for all I can do is the beat onboarding and type any message I want in Java and JavaScript. Exactly, I mean, we all start that stage. Just need to practice. I mean, you came here, you just need to practice, and of course you have to learn some kind of structure of the programming language, which programming language you choose actually. I mean, for example, you have to know solve this kind of problems. You have to know loops, you have to know some kind of data types, numeric types, string types, boolean types, etc. I mean, you have to learn the basics and came here and join our stream and practice as much as you like. I used to play on another programming before Yuri online judge, but Clash Code is a lot of fun. Yeah, I mean, as far as I can see on the internet, I mean, I don't see any exact way like Clash of Code exact for any other websites. I mean, sure, there are a lot of websites like to solve this kind of competitive problems, but there is no exact structure. There is no website as an exact structure like Clash of Code, as far as I can see. A lot of platforms, algos, hacker rank, lead code, top coder, and the like, but Clash never in one except this one. It's pure dopamine. Yeah. Yeah, as an addition to Pinch said, I mean, Stack Overflow also is a great resource to learn and to teach what you learn to other people. For example, in Free Code Camp, I really like Free Code Camp, by the way. And on their YouTube channel, I mean, there are a lot of great tutorials, by the way, as a free and no ads. I mean, it's such a great, actually. Rohit, maybe some kind of string manipulations might be hard on C like that. Oh, you are now 11. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. I mean, personally, I really suggest you to really consider to go to college and study like computer engineering. Yes, Fabi is very well known here in Brazil. Can I ask you, how old are you? What do you think? What do you think? How old am I? I get the QC monthly emails. Yeah, I mean, they are really nice actually. No, I didn't answer it. I just what people think, how old I am. Everyone in the chat can please write their thoughts about how old am I? Do a pool? No, I just need to write the 20 to 40 maybe. Okay, is there only one person? Only Pins gave it what he's think, and what other people thinks actually. I mean, how old do you think am I? Solid 36. 33 years, 4 months. Oh. Damn specifics, yeah. No, I mean, Neto, Andrea, what do you think? D-Boy, Rohit. What do other people think actually? How do you think am I old? "36, 34. Is there anyone try to guess? There is one. No, there is. You are definitely on your 30s. Okay. Okay, only Matrizas we are waiting for. I think you are still clashing, by the way. If you don't, you can still submit it. Yeah, I am 32, guys. I am 32. What the fuck noise? What? Mutu silkisi. Wait a second, but Pins, you said 36. Do I look like 36 really? I mean, I was, yeah, Sahil was the closest, yeah. I thought you were older than me. Do I look like older than you? Oh my goodness. Where is this block option? Slash block Pins. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command. So you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. But I mean, some people say I don't look even like even 32 actually. Do I really like? I mean, maybe I just need to. You need to a little bit closer like this one. Do I still look like 36? You are 34 and 11 months inside the words. Wait, what coding languages do you know? I know English. Sorry, I don't English. I said I just know C# usually. Oops. No people join right now? Am I? Oh, Pins joined. Okay. Yeah, it's space. Me too. Actually, I was always wrong guess with other people's age. Actually, sometimes I just say too much. Maybe sometimes I just say too low. I couldn't figure it out exactly what other people's age actually. How old when you got first development job? I was on the last class of college, and old it in 2010 I start, which is 22 actually. Yeah, it was my first time. Is 22 years old. My first development job. And how many rejections before the first caption? One, two, and three, if I remember correctly. I was getting 3 rejections while at the last year on the college. Yeah. I'm starting to get a bit of stigma with my age and for the fact that I am still not in the field. Exactly, I mean, I don't believe actually this kind of things. I mean, age, sure, the younger people might learn faster, but I don't think any disadvantages. I mean, there are still people on the internet on the 70 years old. I mean, 70, not 17, 70 years old, and learn programming and create some mobile application and send to App Store or Google Store actually, Android Store. I mean, there are still people like that. I mean, so I don't believe in age as a different kind of how can I say this one? Age was a barrier or a boundary in programming actually. I just joined the Clash of Code and they are... Can selamlar, hoş geldin. They are asking to the goals a broad number of n is square of some digits of n. What does that mean? You don't... so n is a number and you just need to calculate sum of its digits. No, Andre, no! Don't write this one. Zepolir, welcome. I hope I can pronounce it your name properly actually. Okay, we are now 7 people. Let's... Oh, we wait for the too much actually. We don't wait this kind of length actually, but we just little bit chit chat. Anagram is a word of written with all the same letters but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, your program must illustrate 2 given words are anagrams for each other. You must write which is it's right. Is this one necessary also enough? No, because these are because network actually. That is nice, so I can submit it. It is fun, difficulty is easy, statements and test case relevancy are ideal. Can sen de katılmak ister misin bir sonrakine? Persivan galiba sıradım bir şeyler ama Akbank'la mı ilgili? Okay, Xorxy and Net also solve this one. Programmer, welcome. Jersey baktığıma göre 2 Mayıs'tan beri takip ediyormuşsun. Olabilir. Doğru diyor olabilirsin. When you're gonna play a game, I mean, I actually try to play two games in my mind, which is one of the is about one of the is about a game called Little Nightmare, and the other one is called While True Learn, which is the algorithm solving problem. I think it will be really fun to play with actually playing with on the Twitch. The first one is in While True Learn. And this is the game actually itself on the Steam. It's like you are a machine learning specialist who makes a neural networks, but your cat seems to be better at it. Now you must solve puzzles to build cat to human translation system. I think it will be fun to play. Maybe we can play together or sometime. And the other game is Little Nightmare. Yeah, this one. This one seems actually very small but have fun, playing like a fun game. Maybe we can play this one is on the stream also. But I still couldn't buy the Wild Through Learn game. But I tried to plan it actually. Maybe it will be fun to play on the stream also. Okay, the question is about the anagram strings. I mean, anagram strings are the all the characters at the same count, but doesn't matter if they are the same order. So they just mix it. So take the string and take the first string and mix it for all the characters as a second string, and these are the means anagrams. Part 2, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. I mean, sometimes some of the programming languages, some like easy way to solve this one for the anagrams. Maybe even Ruby have is anagram method, something like that. No. Oh, character sorts. Yeah, I mean, this is exactly what you should do. Probably the simplest way to solve this. Yeah, in Python, this is also same way. Umbra Talks, welcome. The Pointer also solved this one. Programmer wanted. But it won't be necessary if the same length. Yes, they have to be the same length, but they also needs the same characters also they need to be count. For example, for your case, A, B, C and D, F, G will be the anagram, which is the set of the distinct characters count, which is the same. So it return prints. It prints 1, but it shouldn't actually. Okay. Matrizas solves also this one. That's nice. And Umbratorx also still clashing. Let's wait for him a little bit. He will probably solve this one. Is a very fast. Of course you can sort string. I mean, there are a lot of built-in functions for most of the programming languages actually. Oh, in JavaScript, no, you must convert string to array. Oh, okay. Which actually a lot of, since for example in C# strings are immutable, so you can actually change the string itself, but as you said here, you just need to generate it, since the strings are a little bit the same like the character array, char array. So you can easily manipulate with to char array method, for example. I will join CodinGame after 5-6 months. Later I have not enough coding experiments. Have fun. Thank you, Mustafa. In Python, ctr sort does not work, but sorted ctr works. Gives a list, I believe. Oh, okay. Okay, Umbrella Orgs also solve this one as in Python. That's nice. I mean, it's an easy anagram question, so probably if you have a little bit practice, actually, you can solve that one. Oh, okay, let's back to home. And let's start a private clash. What's going on? Let's start it. Let's start a new one. I just did the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Does sort work only on array? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, we are now 10 player. So let's launch the clash. You must write a program that checks to see if the given username u is valid. Have at least 3 characters. Must have no more than 20 characters. Only consist of letters and digits. Username meets these requirements. Print valid. Seems easy actually. right? I think it will work. Let's play all this. That is nice. Now I can submit my sword. Hey, hello, welcome. Pins, by the way, can we speak on the outside of the stream also? I mean, I just curious about a few things about in Poland. Is it possible? So pins, Zorxi, Neto, Sahil, Programmer, Zeponier also. Zeponier, 87%. Maybe if we share your code, we can check it. Yeah, we can talk about in Discord as well. I mean, just add me as a friend in Discord also. Maybe we can talk about it like that. Okay, Andrea Ambratorso solved this one. Okay, Matrizas also solved this one. That's nice. It is fun. I like the question. Cell difficulty is easy. Statement and test case elements are ideal. Oh, you added me. Okay, let me check. Ports is closed right now. Let me check it. Latihan, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. There's yeah, you can add me and I accept it right now. That is nice. And it's still clashing right now. Marco, thanks for the host, by the way. Okay, and it's still you are clashing, by the way.
I was pleasantly surprised. Like, hey.
Enes, are you in chat? I'm asking you because I don't want to wait for unnecessary for other people also. Unless you are not answering, sorry, but I have to pass you since I thought actually I don't want to wait too many people like that. Are you in the chat? Is there any chance? Okay, I didn't get any response from you, so that's why I have to pass it. So let's back to home and let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current clash link. Are we lost people? I mean, we are now 4th place right now. That's weird. Oh, okay, they are joined here. That is nice. My stream has more than 30 seconds delay for me. I mean, there's actually Twitch decides how much the delay there's no settings that I just put to and it's actually it depends on a lot of things, my internet connection, your internet connection, and the Twitch capabilities also. So I don't have any option to select that is no delay, such an option. I want to do the last clash with just a regex, but I didn't remember how to. I can see it because the clash countdown. Oh, okay. Okay, we are now 7 players. Let's launch the clash. I mean, there is nothing that I can do actually. You must evaluate a given mathematical expression like a non-scientific calculation, meaning there is no operator precedence. For example, will result in 9 instead of 7. Okay, that seems the string can have multiple operations. Huh. Okay. Yeah, I just did it, for example. R is R not a digit. So I will get all the digits, not the digits, numbers, and the operators here. What's the proper way to calculate this? Maybe I just need to get the our result is array 0 parse for each var op in ops result no case which is op here case plus results plus not actually, maybe init index. Yeah, we need index here. We need to yeah, it was array. Array I plus 1 break. Why this won't work? Cannot. Okay. So maybe I just need to. Oops. Minus and multiple with and by divided. It will work actually, and after the here I just need to console right line result. Let's play all test cases. That is nice, so I can submit it. This is a fun question. I mean, difficulty is perfect, and statement and test case are ideal. Maybe I was wondering is there any programming language, by the way, that supports built-in supports, not the additional extra like packages or frameworks to calculate like this kind of mathematical expressions? Maybe Ruby has some? If there is one, actually it should be Ruby. Oh, Stack Overflow, no, data table compute, yeah, in C#, no, it does not actually calculate like that. Yeah, this one does not appear here, actually. Okay, Andrea solved this one. Okay, Pins also solved this one, that's nice. JavaScript doesn't have functionality like that as far as I can see. Oh, there's a eval calculation. Oh, maybe eval not exactly might do it, but yeah, might generate the proper result actually. Oh, eval solves the math expression, you just add the parentheses. Oh. Oh, to break the actually priority of the operations, right? To break the operator percentage actually. Oh. Okay, Sahil, no worries, man. Sahil also solved this one. Caillou 80%. That's weird. Maybe you can check as a solve in Python. You can check pin solution here. I think you just missed some little bit something actually. Yeah, the Streamlabs give you 1 second timeout. Yeah, I mean Neto's solution really nice actually. He's solved in Python also, which is the probably same way to do it. Okay, we're only waiting for Matrizas and Zeponier. I think there's only 1 minute left, so let's not worry it too much. Yeah, I mean Neto's solution really nice. Nice way to use it, eval, exactly. Matrizas, you try to solve it in C#, but yeah, that's won't work actually. I mean, not exactly. We'll try to 4 cycles. Okay, you can check my solution if you want. And Zeponier couldn't solve this one. So I mean for C# actually I just created for every operations here, and it's get the numbers and operators for the different strings, and I just iterated for all the operators and get the results as the previous number, which is the here cases. Which case do I need to calculate? Actually, I don't think there is a easier way to calculate in C# based on this one. But netos, I mean, it's quite great. Just add the parentheses here and let the eval do all the math here. Yeah, that's really nice actually. Okay, let's back to home. And let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. That should be a formula. I saw this question in the past, but I couldn't solve it before, and now I think I can't solve this one either. So what's the rule here? Maybe if we try to understand the rule, I think we can solve this one. So the rule is this is the number and this is the number of the take as a power of 4. 23 power of 4. Okay. So sin x is the odd length here, as you can see here, which is the derivative. I don't know how to pronounce it actually. It should be minus cosinus x. If it is even length, it should be sin x as well. So how is the cos x, for example? Cos x, if it is power of is odd length, is odd, and then it's the minus sin, negative sin actually. Wait a second. Oh, that's not the case. I might be overthinking, but derivative is the still can't figure it out actually what's the proper way to solve. Congradonk, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Şalef, selamlar, hoş geldin. Wait a second. Power of n times -1 power of floor n divided by 2. If sin power of n times -1 ceiling n divided by 2. If cause is, yeah, it might be probably, for example, it might be something like that, but how can I write this one proper way? I mean, as you can see, we have only 15 minutes. I just passed the 10 minutes for thinking. Oh, Sahil solved this one. That's nice. You also solved this one in Python. My code is painful, so it's so painful to read. Okay, that's fine. Maybe we can understand it. Yeah, I mean, I am still thinking, but I don't have a proper solution in my mind. Sahil, thank you so much for joining again. Have a good night. Andrea solved this one in JavaScript. That's nice. You're only waiting for me. All netto is still clashing. Okay, I just submitted. I mean, I can solve this one. I honestly. It's kind of fun actually. Difficulty is somehow maybe hard. States and test case levels are ideal. So let's check Sahil's code. Whoa, let's not check Sahil's code. Then Caillou, let's check Caillou's code. Okay, maybe let's check Andrea's code here. Oh, maybe This code is quite readable actually. So this one gets the last 3 character as far as I know here. And what is F? Oh, F is the input actually. First one. It will get the sin or cos probably. C is the coefficient before sin or cos. Then while n here, you try to do the reverse actually. If it is sin, that means C is the current number here. Then multiple by with A is the if it is empty, it will be 1. And F is cos. Else, that means F is cos here. You have to multiple with the negative A here. And F is sin and increase the n. Okay, at the end, here, netto, okay. If C is 1, C is you just need to write to 1 sin instead of sin and 1x instead of x. If these are the negative ones, and you just need to put the negative sign here. Function c times sin ax. The end is the removal 1 to the result. It's not very clear. Yeah, no, I understand actually. Yeah, that's very nice. Very nice calculation, by the way. I mean, I really like it. It's simple and easy to read, actually. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, the collection is complete. Let's back to home. Let's back to home. And let's start a private clash. What? Why this button won't work? That's right. Start, and I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Yeah, Andre did the same, yeah, actually. Imoka, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Haduk, welcome. First time to see you, I think. Okay, we are now 7 players. Let's launch the clash. Zlobenian phone numbers contains 12 digits. The first one always begins 0. The normalized format represents number as 4 groups of digits separated by space. Okay, however, people tend to write the numbers with varied spacing using the groups of digits of varying size, possibly with no spacing at all. Furthermore, when the international country code of Zlobenia, which is plus 879, is indicated, the leading 0 may be the omitted or shown between parentheses. Okay, your program must read a single Zlobenian phone number and in arbitrary format and output is normalized representation. Okay. Okay, I have an idea for that. All this spool here. 12. And I should reverse another one to array. How can I write this one is only maybe is there any better way to chunk something like that? I mean, probably not. I less than 12 I plus result at string. No, that's not the case here. No, that's not the case. I and take 3. Yeah, but not for it's less than 4. It should be less than 4. No, that's not the case. No. How many times you have to skip? 1, 2, at least 0. First of all 0. The other one, second one is you have to skip 3. Yeah. 3 multiple by 3. And take 3. Right, I think this should work. And I just need to not right. White space separated result. This should work actually. Let's play all test cases. Oops. Oh, the 0. Oh, the 0 should be always the start here. Aha. Maybe then I just, yeah, maybe I should just control here if array 0 isn't 0, is the char in here, then I need to swap the first 0 index number. Right? I mean, yeah. Var next array. There's no array here. Index of 0 to find the first index. So I need to do some classic swap operation. Var temp is array index will be array 0 and array 0 will be temp. Did I calculate correctly? Okay, maybe let's try this one. Wait, what? So it should take all of them, and this 0 should be replaced with this one. So there is an error in my swap operation. No, actually there isn't. What? Oh, the first one is always 0. That means not I need to take here, which is the, I should take the 11. Yeah, I should take the 11 items 11 numbers actually. I don't need this one. List, and there's an array here. At range. Oh, no, not at range. Is there any specific index, something like that? Maybe I should check the list at index. Oh, insert. There's an insert. Insert. Oh, there's an index, 0 index, and the character itself is 0. Then this should work then. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Let's play all test cases. That is nice. So I can submit it. Yeah, Andre, right? You are right. I always think that I should get the last 12 digits, but the actually question not about that. I will get the last 11 digits and edit 0 at their first, at 0 before that actually. The fun question. Difficulty is perfect, statement, and test case relevancy are ideal. Okay, Caillou, Andrea, Netto, Pins, Kaduk also solved this one. Programmer 50%, and Matrizas, are you still clashing? Okay, we can start. Okay, that's nice. And let's call the night, guys. I mean, I'm a little bit tired, honestly. And let me write my social accounts. You can write, you can see on the chat. And we have a little bit small Discord channel also, if you want to join. And I will really appreciate that. And Caillou, Andre, Neto, Pins, Kaduk, Programmer, Matrizas, and aka Stack Overflow. And thank you so much for joining me tonight. I mean, I really appreciate that. And I will rate Lana. As you already know, he is the game developer on the Twitch. And yeah, I mean, thank you so much. I mean, if you want to support my stream, you can always subscribe also. I mean, it really means a lot to me. And I will rate Lana, and thank you so much all, and take care. Bye bye.